Okay, here's my 48-inch Husky toolbox. I got some socket organizers over here, some T-handle Allen, got some anti-seize, some heavy-duty grease, some brake grease, some oil wrenches, spare water bottle, never have water, warranty ratchet, pocket knife. Always need these puppies. I got my charger over here with my DeWalt charger, my two Mac tool chargers, and some little cups. You know, I just kind of carry some little odds and ends. I was gonna mess with that. Some safety glasses. But anyways, top drawer is the wrench drawer, the Mac tools, precision. Ooh, these puppies now. Oh yeah. That does not do it justice, but Mac. That's how new it is. Had to go out and buy me some. Some good other wrenches. Never have enough wrenches. And they got the mat. The Milwaukee little locking pliers with their jaws. If you're gonna get some, just get the Milwaukee. Lifetime warranty. So are these. When the teeth go bad, I warranty them out. Got these from my Napa rep, High Vis. Woo! Great guy. Thank you, Kyle. Shout out to Kyle. Now, people have been asking me, do I like this? The new Mac Tools Impact. Oh, hell yeah, I like it. I can adjust it as much as I want right here. LED. Here's the cover, guys. Cover name. This is the 1/2 inch. And yeah, you can take it off with the cover on. Better than this. If you're gonna think about buying one of these, just go buy this. Save yourself money, and if you hurry up, you can get yourself the 3/8. Yeah, she bright. But yeah. Then we got the Milwaukee drill set, ratchet. This thing has saved me a bunch of twice. Extra battery, some cheap Harbor Freight sockets. Clean hands only on the Mac Tools torque wrench. Also, I got my rail of these all organized. The DeWalt. Got both of these flex heads from the Pittsburgh flex head from Harbor Freight. Some 12-point Mac Tools kit. Some odds and ends, more odds and ends spares. Full DeWalt set right here. Yeah, these haven't even got used yet, just barely. But yeah, all that's been just a bead and heat. And then up here I got just a specialty drawer, some gas for my car, flashlights, hot end drawer, specialty, you know, personal. Got my college book in there, headphones. Go on this side. Good deal on the menardes. This bit set, one of these. They're tool shop thingies. And two big bits that actually like ROM. More Milwaukee. A lot of screwdrivers. Can never have enough screwdrivers. And then your electrical drawer. This was, I just cleaned through all this to do this video. For the man that pisses me off when my daughter gets, well, if I have a daughter one day, gets married, he better run from this thing. 32mm Mac tool wrench, $75 worth of ass whooping. Now, these I gotta watch out because I've almost killed myself with that. Good old Carlisle Napa hammer, sludge, mini sludge, you know. You know, just a cheater pipe, basic stuff. Always need that for the forwards, oil cups, you know, lubes. You know, this is just like my stuff right here for my car. Torches, gauges, cleaning blanket in case I need a car shut. Here's the number for that. Master pressure test. I'd say get some of those to start, get some of them, and get some hose with zip ties, and get like 5 of them to start. Buy some nice boots. Don't just keep them at home like you're keeping them at work like I do. Always keep your tools in your car. Let's see. Oh, there's that. Boss even gave me a chair. Like, it broke, but whatever. I fixed it and it works. And then I got a little heater because that stupid little thing doesn't work. This. Oh. Get that part number in there. Yep. This is really worth money. Yeah. Oh yeah. And I got this too recently, which I've really had some good time with. Took me under an hour with this kit and just knowing what to do with it to do a 30-100 harmonic mantle, just like that. Now we got welding gloves right here, heat gun, normal drill, a foam cannon scan tool, and what else do I got? Slide hammer kit, some HIDs and the welding thing, and yeah, you know. These I find good to keep your hooks up. Also these shop tool magnets. I just try and keep as much magnet up on there. But yeah. Grease gun and a couple of those with engine stand. But if you're gonna think about buying the Husky 48-inch box, get a bigger tool, get a better one, because that's your reason. So if you see, yeah, you broke right there. Yeah, why? And then like right here it cracks. Let's see if we can find another drawer here. I bet you, oh yeah. You crack too. Like, I can literally like junk. It's a good toolbox. Like, I would buy this 100 times over. Don't get me wrong, but junk. Just, they never looked at their product when they were coming out with it. That just makes me mad, you know, grinds the boggles of gears. But what up? Here's the part number for the mini, the littler one. Got the 1/2 and 3/8, I think it is. But yeah, I like it. Battery definitely lasts longer than a week. I'm gonna say that. Well, I think it is. That's something Husky needs to work on right there. Like, I don't want to bend it. Stupid. I think it's time for us to go and get some food because I am hungry and I am about to die. Oh. And yeah, guys, so I'll see if I can get a update on the Mac tool guy, you know, see if Matt here, our rep, will let me show you guys on his truck a little bit. And yeah, because yeah, it's crazy. This little heater though, woo, it's crazy warm. But yeah, and then, oh,